Secretary-elect Jolan de los Reyes, and the club officers. Club Downtown Calapan, headed by President-elect Presi Leguina.
Team 6, and this is for public image, and this is what the classroom looks like.
Hi Jay! Welcome to my vlog!
For breakout session 5, past this to Governor Chotimo Onires Jr. or his representative.
I got a feeling we're gonna win. We're gonna win.
For our fourth winner, ng Stampan. Past President Bernardo Go Ortilia.
Catalina?
Okay.
Ito na, bahala na. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.